So my name is Kim Chandana. I'm pursuing my undergraduation from Kesan Government Degree College, Anantapur, sir. So I feel extremely elated and enthused to have such a great interaction with you, and it's an overwhelming opportunity. And I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the government schemes towards the education sector that have been taken up by you, sir. So firstly, being a student of a government women's college, I'd like to speak about the environment over there. So it's actually, I get to see a lot of young aspirated girls who want to achieve great heights in life. And I always wondered, due to their financial limitations, whether they can make all their dreams come true. But soon, after you came up with such germ of schemes like Jagananna Vidya Divana and Jagananna Vasati Divana, I was rest assured that girls like us are going to definitely reach to whatever greater heights they wanted to in life. So it was a great blessing in disguise for all of us, for all the young girls out there, and I'm thanking you on behalf of all the young girls. And secondly, I'd like to highlight the Nadu Nedu scheme, which has really helped many institutions to bring up a lot of infrastructure, corporate infrastructure, ICT-enabled labs for all the higher education students who would like to pursue all different kinds of education. And our principal, sir, who was very dedicated and who is very dedicated in doing all the infrastructure-enabled activities, is very much thankful to you, and he told me that he is very thankful to the CM, and I wanted to convey that college is very well developed due to the schemes that you brought up, sir. And lastly, I'd like to highlight that Disha app is one such gem of a scheme and gem of things in all the Navaratnas that you have come up with, because it has really helped the girls and women out there who are coming out to explore the ocean of opportunities that are there in the society today. So it has really helped a lot to all the women and girls. I'm very thankful, and your timely response in the COVID-19 situation has really helped many people like us to come out, and the timely lockdowns, strict implementation of the lockdowns, and vaccination drive, which is exemplary to a lot of states, the record vaccination drive that has been taken up by you in the state, everything. And if I keep on speaking, I think the time goes and flies away. So to the end, I'd like to say that governments may be of many kinds, many ways, but I'd like to emphasize that this government will be relished, cherished, and remembered by all in general, and by the student fraternity in particular. Thank you very much, sir.
Shakka maatladedalle. All the very best, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.